Welcome to the nature video. Look, so do you see this spider? It's in its natural habitat. Okay.
Like concrete.
Because this is serious work. Like, so you can tell that this is a poisonous spider. It's called the Donald Duck. Oh, it's looking at me! Oh! Okay, so now... No way. Oh, it's moving!
Hello, guys.
Look, I'm feeding the spider!
Okay.
Guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to the nature.
It just fell.
Hey, I'm Mr. Nature Man. Okay, so you can tell that this. Whoa. You can tell that this is a spearmint tree because look, there's spearmint gum. It grows spearmint gum. Okay, look, it's kind of hard to take off though because it's pokey. Ow! Okay. Hey guys, this is a nature skit for Earth Day.
Earth Day.
You know how, like, today is Earth Day, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not when we post this, but
Dinner's ready.
what? Oh, I'm filming a nature video. Okay, I love this part. Okay, you can tell that this is a rock because the way it is. Like,
Whoa.
this is a very special rock.
Honey, that's not a rock.
What is it?
It's an egg. No, I need to tell you something.
Oh, I love eating eggs. They taste yummy.
I need to tell you something. So, when you were young, you're adopted.
What does that mean? I only know that.